Moving money across borders can be a slow and costly process for SMEs. Freemarket's platform offers businesses an accessible solution. Its integrated ecosystem and customer-centric approach provides access to seamless currency exchange and transparent international payments.
For the past few years, SMEs have seen huge changes within the world of banking and payments. Getting control over their finances hasn't been easy or particularly clear. Freemarket has listened to those who have felt underserved and provided a simple one-stop shop platform for cross-border payments, FX rates, international trade and more.
We're very much on a mission to build the most comprehensive cross-border payments network and ensure that we can give SMEs a real-time platform through which they can manage their global liquidity and ensure that they can access an entire pool of tier 1 banks as opposed to going through the headache and the pains of onboarding very fragmented and disparate providers. They can lean on us to do the heavy lifting in the knowledge that we've already integrated with those partners and ensure that should any bank fail in the near future, that they're not going to be at risk of going out of business or dramatically having to find new partners. From a startup perspective, I think being agile and disruptive at our core gives us the flexibility to service a number of different markets who ultimately have very similar types of challenges.
Developing new solutions on the platform relies on technology, knowledge and expertise and listening to the customer.
We essentially go out and get all the banking relationships, all the products that they offer and integrate them into one platform. So that then allows our clients that rather than them having multiple bank accounts, set up with multiple different people, they can just be with us and have access to all of that. So we're always getting feedback from them on things that they want or things that would be slightly easier if it's done this way or markets they want to go into. And then because we've built this all in-house, we can then make those changes a lot quicker than a lot of our competitors who have outsourced their platform to another company. Our client can use our API and they can integrate directly with our API and do pretty much everything on there, or they have the option of our platform. So our platform is very straightforward and easy to use. You pretty much can do everything in a couple of clicks. You're not having to go to multiple screens, multiple different parts. You can make an international payment literally 2 or 3 clicks and you're done.
The platform not only allows customers the ability to do what they need simply and quickly, but they can also offer feedback and speak to someone who really understands their needs.
Very unique in our industry, to be fair. I mean, when you look at banking and finance, everyone's just looking at margins, profit, a name on a spreadsheet. At the end of the day, we're just a commodity to be transacted. So coming from a place and working with great people at Freemarket that get it, it actually genuinely feels like you're working with partners and friends to achieve similar goals, rather than felt like you're being transacted or not doing the subsequent levels of volumes or currency that then put a strain on the relationship.
The customer is key at Freemarket, delivering and tailoring a service that is beneficial to the client's company. Start with building a good relationship.
A very personalised service, so we've got quite a broad spectrum of clients across different verticals based all around the world. So the service is very bespoke depending on their individual needs. It's understanding what drives them, what requirements they've got, what their industry needs to make sure that what we offer is a good fit for them. We flew over to Sydney to sit down with a client to look at a particular issue they were having, and one of the things that came out of that meeting was their own banking provider was based a couple of streets away and they'd never met them. Service levels are really what sets us apart. It's not a one-size solution. It's that sort of bespoke approach rather than just this is the product, now go away and use it. We really work with them, we're on that journey with them.